Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making soufra, apple rose. You're going to need 450 grams of phyllo dough, 160 gram unsalted butter, 2 to 3 sweet red apples, cup and a half heavy cream, 3/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 3 eggs. We're going to start by cutting apples very thin. And I would start with 2 apples and leave the last one uncut, because sometimes the 2 apples will be enough. And if you need more, you can cut the last one before you put it in. Then cover the inside the baking dish with butter. Then we're going to start laying phyllo and just make the first layer to cover the entire bottom and sides. So in my case, it takes about 4 sheets to do so. Once you have bottom covered, brush it with the butter and then set it on the side. And then we're going to take first phyllo sheet, brush the top with the butter, then lay the second sheet on top. Also brush the top of the second sheet with butter. And now we're going to fold it just like an accordion. And make sure you have at least 1 inch height. Once you fold it as an accordion, then make a roll. And put it in the center. Repeat these steps until you run out of phyllo. And you're going to keep rolling from the center out. Once you finish with all phyllo, fold the sides from the wall inside. And if you need to, you can adjust it by hand. And then brush it with a little bit of butter. Take the apple slices and start shoving them in between folds, all around it, as many as you can. It should be pretty simple, just spread them up a little with the fingers and put the apples in. And again, 2 apples should be enough, but if you feel you can put another one, just cut the last apple in slices and put it in. Now we're going to make custard. We're going to start with the heavy cream. Add sugar. And then mix it for about half a minute on low, just for sugar to blend in. Add 3 eggs. Add vanilla. And again, when you mix it on very low for a short time. You don't want to make a whipped cream out of it. Then slowly pour custard evenly on top. Preheat oven on 360 and bake it for 40 minutes. When you get it out of the oven, let it cool down for about 5 minutes before you cut it. It came out so beautiful and it smells incredible. You can serve it with the honey, or I like it with the vanilla ice cream. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.